fucking dick.
Holy shit! Oh my god! Jesus freaking god dang it, G mother freaking believer, man! Oh, that scared the bejesus out of me, man. Because that thing was just like literally in the middle of the road. And I should expect that on roads like this. That's why you don't push on this. But I saw the other guy push it, so I was like, let's just try it as well. My god, that gave me a gosh darn heart attack, dude. Oh my god.
Really, dude? And wait. Well.
Jesus Christ.
Que desgraçado do cão.
Okay. Can I?
Step off the bike.
I have to put it in. I have to put it down.
Step off now.
Okay. I'm gonna push the brake.
Pull off, I'm fucking throwing you off.
I'm not pulling off, dude.
Put it in park.
Okay.
I swear to God, you don't pull off.
Dude, why would I pull off? I didn't see you behind me, man. Look, I'm normal, bro.
Step off the bike.
Okay, do you want me to turn off?
Step off the bike.
Yes, sir. Okay. Hey.
Step off, man. Step back here.
Okay.
How come we going 115 miles an hour?
I'm sorry.
Sorry?
I am.
How come we waited till this car to stop?
I didn't see you behind me.
You didn't?
I did not.
You hit your brakes as I come out.
I hit my brakes to tell you that I saw you. I did. I clicked my brakes when I saw you break your lights over on the intersection to tell you that I saw you.
So you continue to come in across state lines.
I didn't think you were gonna.
You didn't think I was gonna follow you?
No, I did not. 100%.
So you ran across state lines thinking I wasn't going to come get you, right?
No, I was gonna keep going. I was gonna slow down. I'm just trying to get home. I live in St. Augustine. I got you. Can I take off my gloves?
Yep.
Can I put them on the top of your car?
Yep.